Hey guys, today I will show you how you can download and install Paralives game on your PC. So first head over to the Steam website and just click on the sign in option you will see on the top and just create the Steam account. And after you create the Steam account, just click on the install Steam option you will see on the top and just click on the install Steam and download and install Steam on your PC. So after you install Steam on your PC, open it, then just click on the top search box and just type Paralives. You'll find this game on the top search result, so just open up this game and scroll down. You will see the option to add to cart. So just click on this option of add to cart and just click on this option of view my cart. Now guys, simply go ahead and pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount, just go to your library of Steam and just find this game and simply hit the download button or install button. And that's how you can download and install this game. And if you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. And thanks for watching.